everyone, my name is Jasmine and I will be demonstrating our robot called the JasFlora. This is a drone which uses 4 DC motors that will work with the propellers of the drone. As you can see, here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. The way it moves is by 4 motions using pitch, which is forwards and backwards, roll, which is left and right tilt, yaw, which is left and right rotation, and throttle, which is vertical, being up and down. They all balance each other out to ensure smooth movement and on the daily follow a route throughout the garden using the GPS as seen on the top. In order to ensure that it does not hit any objects or people, it has a PII sensor to detect what's around, and the red LED right over here will alarm and communicate it to the other robots. Then for the soil moisture, it is able to detect any slight amount of moisture, which turns the green LED on, and helping with delivering any plant information as needed, along with the gas sensor that will also alarm the patient and other robots if any gas is detected that can cause harm. So this all is found in Arduino 2. This is where it's all connected, and any inputs and outputs can also be seen through the coding. So right here, I'll scroll down for you, and also I'll end up starting the simulation for these areas just so that you can see. Alright, so close this out and start the simulation. So right over here, any slight moisture, this goes on, go all the way up, still gonna stay on. PIR sensor, it'll start to let out a sound if any object is detected, and then red LED lighted up. Try to see it again. Gas sensor, it also turns on, and it'll stay on. Along with throttle, pitch, roll, and yaw, they all balance each other out. As you can see, the RPM is moving, which means the propeller is going. And then let me move this if I can. I cannot. But yeah, so you can play with it also if you would like. Next, in Arduino 1, which I'll show in a bit, is where communication takes place. So the GPS tracking throughout the garden, as you can see, and here it measures the temperature. So you adjust it, it's going to change, and it'll inform the user. It also uses a photoresistor right over here to detect if there is too much light, and it'll say to shade the plants, and if there's too little, it will say to increase the exposure to sunlight. Excuse me. Last, there is an ambient light sensor, which is optional for use since the plants will be using sunlight as it is outside. And here's all the coding for it, which I'll show you in a bit. I'll adjust that, and you'll see a change and pop up. Now I'll also adjust this. And Arduino 1. Just gonna scroll down for you to look at. And that will be all. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gave you a bit of information on the circuit we used for the JasFlora. Goodbye.